Welcome. That's our presentation about machine learning in artificial intelligence, MLAI. Let me first introduce myself. I'm Ahmed Muhammad Ali, your presenter today on behalf of my team. Also, let me introduce the team members. Ahmed Yusri is our team leader. Ahmed Muhammad, Yusuf Muhammad, Hassan Khalid, and Omar Tariq. Our research has four essential topics. First, artificial intelligence. Second, machine learning. Third, types of machine learning. Fourth, machine learning life application. Let's start quickly. First, AI or artificial intelligence. The figure in front of you illustrates the whole subject. As shown in the figure, AI is a massive field, includes machine learning as a kind of artificial intelligence. And then machine learning includes deep learning. That's briefly the big image. So, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a technology that is already impacting how users interact with and are affected by the internet. In the near future, its impact is likely to only continue to grow. AI has the potential to vastly change the way that humans interact, not only with the digital world, but also with each other, through their work and through other socioeconomic institutions, for better or for worse. So, how AI is used? AI usually falls into two major categories: narrow AI and artificial general intelligence, AGI. First, narrow AI, also known as soft AI. This type of AI works within limited context and can be a simulation of the human intelligence. Narrow AI usually focuses incredibly well on executing one task, while AGI, also known as solid AI. AGI could be a computer with general intelligence, and it can apply that intelligence to unreveal any question, quite similar to a person's being. So, what is AI importance? There are many. As example, applies cleverness to popular goods, use neural networks that have many hidden layers to analyze more and deeper data, adapts to let the data to the programming by means of progressive learning algorithms, automates via data, repetitive learning and discovery, achieve unbelievable accuracy through deep neural networks, draw the most form results. Here are some of AI most important fields: robotic processes, automation, RPA, decision management, deep learning, peer-to-peer networks, B2B, image recognition, text analysis, emotion recognition, speech recognition. Now we can move to our second topic, which is machine learning. Hmm. What is machine learning? Machine learning is the scientific analysis of algorithms and mathematical models that computer systems use to perform a given function without using explicit commands, relying on patterns and inference instead. This is used a branch of artificial intelligence, machine learning algorithms to construct a sample data based a sample data-based mathematical model known as training data to make predictions or decisions without being directly trained to perform the task. That's briefly what is machine learning meaning. So, how does machine learning work? Here is the steps of machine learning work. Begins with the input of training data into the chosen algorithm. Then we check how this algorithm functions correctly. Then test the forecast and the results. If the forecast isn't as planned, the algorithm will be retrained many times before the correct result is identified. This helps the ML algorithm to learn on its own continuously and to generate the most suitable response. Why machine learning is important? Machine learning has several very practical applications that drive the kind of real business results, such as time and money savings, and that's very important, that have the potential to dramatically impact the future of organizations at interaction in particular, whereby machine learning is allowing people to get things done more quickly and efficiently. Now, the third topic, types of machine learning. We have three different types of machine learning: supervised learning, reinforcement learning, and unsupervised learning. The supervised learning. In supervised learning, we use the described or labeled data for training data. Therefore, since the data are known, the learning is supervised, that is, directed toward successfully execution. The input data goes through the algorithm of ML and is used to train the model. Once the model is trained based on unknown data, you can use unknown data inside the model and get a new answer. Then unsupervised learning. What about unsupervised learning? The testing data is undefined and unlabeled in unsupervised learning, implying that no one has ever looked at the data before. The information can be directed to the algorithm without the dimension of established evidence, which is where the unsupervised world originates from. These data are fed to ML algorithm and are used for model training. Reinforcement learning term. It is a field in machine learning dealing with how virtual agent can take action in an system to optimize a certain nation in accumulated compensation. Reinforcement learning happens when the agent selects action that maximize the reward expected over a given time. This is easiest to achieve when the agent operates within a sound framework for policy. Now, it is time for machine learning live applications. First, first application here is automating employee access control. Organizations actively implement machine learning algorithms to determine the level of access employees would need depending on their job profiles in different areas, and that's very, very important. Then, one of the most important applications, predict potential heart failure. In medicine, an algorithm developed to search free-form e-notes from a specialist and recognize trends in a patient's medical background is generating waves instead of a doctor digging through a multiple health records to get a sound diagnosis. Redundancy is now reduced with computer doing an analysis based on the information available. Self-driving cars and automated transportation. Cars create and maintain a map of their surroundings based on a variety of sensors located in different parts of the vehicle. Radar sensors monitor the position of nearby vehicles, and that's not a future, it is happening nowadays. Then another amazing app of machine learning. No doubt, it is one of the most important apps taking over dangerous jobs. For example, robots keep workers out of harm's way is robotic welding. Repetitive manual welding is extremely hazardous to the human body. Dangerous fumes from metal and coating can lead to serious illnesses. Here we have reached its end. Thanks for your time. Special thanks for Dr. Mona Nasr, who always support us, and she is the main reason of this event. Thank you, Dr. Mona. And last thing, don't forget, stay home, stay safe.